My goal is by the end of this class you'll be learning about like some advanced Hindi adjectives. I want to do a quick refresher on Hindi adjectives. We'll not spend too much time. In Hindi there are two types of adjectives. Adjectives which are inflected, where it is changing based on whether the noun you're talking about is singular or plural. Similarly, whether it is masculine or feminine. You have bada ladka. Why? Because it's a masculine singular. When you talk about big boys, you have bade ladke, right? You have masculine plural, right? You have big girl, which is the ending becomes e, badi ladki, right? And then it ending changes to badi ladkiyan, right? Now, same thing if I were to ask you about a short or chota, how does it work? Now replace it with lamba, and which is basically again long or tall. Now, just like English, we have some adjectives which do not change form. Even when you say it in Hindi also, they will remain the same, right? Sundar ladka, sundar ladke, okay? Sundar ladki, sundar ladkiyan, right? You will notice that the adjective is not changing. Can you guys think of some adjectives in Hindi which do not change? And if you do, write it down in the Zoom chat, all of you. Now, how do we represent taller or tallest? My house is mera ghar. That house. What is that house in Hindi? Vah ghar. Beautiful. Vah ghar. Okay. Now you're comparing these two, right? So you have mera ghar, and then you have vah ghar, followed by say, let's say purana hai, right? That's what we'll have based on the formula. And this vah, because of this say, will become mera ghar us ghar se adjective hai. मेरा घर उस घर से दूर है, मेरा घर उस घर से पास है, मेरा घर उस घर से पुराना है और महंगा है, or anything you can say, right? So just remember that if you are trying to use that one, like we didn't notice it when we were just using the name Sarah, John, right? But when you're using like kachua, which is tortoise, right, or turtle, which Malwaji used, right? Some of you intuitively mentioned that, but just notice that, like how you use the oblique form here. So far we've done, and I want you to do a short homework exercise of think about some real examples that you can use, right? So far we've done the comparative form. I'm going to just take some more time on the superlative as well. You hear a lot, right? सबसे लंबा और सबसे पुराना. What is सबसे पुराना? Oldest, right? सबसे पुरानी. What are some of the other commonly used phrases that you hear? What does it mean? Expensive, the most expensive. Extremely difficult would be, okay, kathin or mushkil, right? Mushkil, right? So imagine you have like a language that you're learning, and you're like you are a polyglot, you know many languages. You're like sabse mushkil language hai, right? Sabse mushkil, very hard. Okay, very good, right? Sabse sasta. Let's say you want to buy something. So you can say सबसे सस्ती vegetable कौन सी है, right? Or you can also say क्या ये सबसे सस्ता है. You pick something and then like you pick a laptop. क्या ये सबसे सस्ता laptop है? Is this the cheapest laptop here? Alright, wonderful. So these are all this one is the easiest one compared to the comparative form. All you have to do is like take the noun and you can just say this building, like यह building सबसे पुरानी है, okay? यह phone सबसे महंगा है, ओके? यह प्रॉब्लम सबसे मुश्किल है, ओके? यह परिवार सबसे अच्छा है, ओके? और यह लड़की सबसे अच्छी है, ओके? और यह आदमी सबसे ईमानदार है, ओके? और यह अभिनेत्री और एक्ट्रेस बहुत बहादुर है और बहुत होशियार है, ओके? And in this one you're comparing it with the entire group, right? Rest of the group.